Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English listening and reading practice. Today, I'm going to clean my house. Imagine you're spending the morning with me as I clean each room. I'll explain everything I'm doing using simple, everyday English. Let's begin. It's Saturday morning, and today is cleaning day. I like to clean my house once a week because I enjoy living in a clean and organized home. When everything is clean, I feel more relaxed and comfortable. After eating breakfast, I put on some comfortable clothes and play my favorite music. Listening to music makes cleaning much more enjoyable. I start in the living room. First, I open all the windows to let in some fresh air. Then, I pick up a few things that are out of place. I fold the blankets, arrange the pillows on the sofa, and organize the magazines on the coffee table. Next, I dust the shelves, the television, and the picture frames. After that, I wipe the table with a clean cloth. Finally, I vacuum the floor and the rug. Now the living room looks fresh and tidy. After finishing the living room, I move to the kitchen. The kitchen usually takes the longest because I cook every day. First, I wash the dishes that are in the sink. Then, I clean the countertop and wipe the stove. I also clean the microwave inside and outside. Next, I throw away the trash and replace the trash bag with a new one. I sweep the floor carefully and then mop it with warm water and floor cleaner. The kitchen smells fresh and looks spotless. Now it's time to clean the bathroom. I spray cleaner on the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and the shower. While the cleaner works, I wipe the shelves and organize my toiletries. Then I scrub the toilet, rinse the sink, and polish the mirror until it shines. Finally, I mop the bathroom floor and replace the old towels with clean ones. The last room is my bedroom. I make the bed and change the bed sheets. I put my dirty clothes in the laundry basket and hang up the clean clothes in the closet. Then, I dust the furniture and vacuum the floor. When I finish cleaning every room, I take a step back and look around my house. Everything is clean, organized, and smells wonderful. Even though cleaning takes time and effort, I always feel happy when I'm done. A clean home helps me relax, focus on my work, and enjoy my free time. Now it's time to sit on the sofa, enjoy a cup of coffee, and rest after a productive morning. Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this English listening and reading practice, watch it again and read along with me. Every time you listen, you'll improve your listening, reading, vocabulary, and pronunciation. See you in the next lesson. Hello,